outside. We're gonna go in. No, Teddy, you're gonna find him tonight when we go in. Okay, watch out. Lily wants to come down. What are you doing, Munchkin? Hey, did you just go down there head first? Did you just go down there head first? Are you crawling down the slide now? Okay, Lily, sit on your bum. Go down on the slide down on your bum. Turn around. There you go. Yep. Good job. Go down your bum. Yep. No, not the head first. Down your bum. Good job. There you go. Yay, Lily! 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Bonk! What happened? What happened? Did you hurt your bum? See a big plane in the air. You see it, yep. It's going to St. John. Going up again, Lily? Oh, the mosquitoes are coming out now. I may have to go in soon. I don't want to get more bug bites. Yeah. Good job.